Well, it's Friday. That means it's time for our financial expert, Jeff LaBelle, to tell us the big news of the week on Wall Street.
Well, the news of the week is we had a lot of volatility coming in on Thursday, good volatility. I'm going to review that with you, but I'm also going to review a company that I looked at and had no idea about. They actually make the Tervis tumbler. So I'm going to review the company later in my segment. But first of all, the markets. The markets earlier in the week were subdued, waiting for economic numbers and the ECB rescue plan. On Thursday, the market soared after learning that the European Central Bank plans on purchasing short-term maturities of sovereign debt. This program is designed to reduce catastrophic meltdowns caused by spiking yields. In addition, the markets also liked the better-than-expected data on the U.S. economy. Stock prices soared on Thursday, closing at their highest level since January of 2008. Well, today, the markets had to digest new numbers from the job market. The unemployment rate dropped slightly to 8.1%, but the growth of jobs slowed more than expected. There's a major concern that a greater percentage of the unemployed are no longer looking for jobs. Let's look at today's numbers. The Dow ended the session closing up 13.71 points to 13,305, while the S&P closed up 5.77 to 1437, and finally the Nasdaq finished the day up just under 1 point to 3,136. And now stocks in the news. Federal Express cuts their profit forecast for the year, citing weakness due to global economic factors. FedEx shares lost 1% after the news on Wednesday, but rebounded and closed today at 87.38. Intel cuts third quarter revenue outlook. A sluggish economy was also the factor for chipmaker Intel, who expects revenue to drop by 7% over the prior range. Intel closed today down just under 1 point to 24.19. And now our community spotlight. In 2008, Sarasota County lost almost 500 companies to the recession. But for Riverview grad Jim Westman, he viewed this as an opportunity to find and build a company. Jim returned to his roots after spending 20 years in Atlanta. In 2009, he purchased the Sarasota plastics company Octex. Sales after 1 year rose substantially to $13.6 million in 2010, and in 2011 rose to over $20 million. Octex is known for its plastic moldings used by their key client, Venice-based Tervis Tumbler. But now they have identified other key markets for expansion. Octex has over 50 clients in markets such as medical equipment, aerospace, and other specialty plastic parts. Recently, they completed a $7.6 million expansion, increasing its facility to 60,000 square feet and purchasing new high-tech robotic equipment to focus on other growing markets. Octex has around 90 highly efficient employees who work in a high-tech environment usually seen in Silicon Valley. Congratulations, Octex. If you know of any company or organization who's making an impact locally, I would like to know about it. You can contact me at jeff@gcadvice.com. And that will do it for your market update. I'm Jeff LaBelle.
And it's interesting, one of the things you mentioned, a lot of people might not know, they know Tervis Tumbler, but Octex, they're right here.
Great company, expanding in their employees, and they have so many products that people don't know about. So good luck to them.
Okay, and thanks for sharing that, and we're going to be right back.
Market Wrap-Up brought to you by Gulf Coast Wealth Advisors in Sarasota and Bonita Springs, 941-362-0700. Experience, integrity, dedication.